This is gonna blow your mind. Waikiki Beach. The name itself conjures up images of paradise, palm trees swaying in the breeze, golden sands kissed by the sun, turquoise waters teeming with life. This is Waikiki, a vibrant tapestry of natural beauty, cultural richness, and endless fun. Located on the island of Oahu, Hawaii, Waikiki is a must-visit destination for travelers from all walks of life. Whether you seek relaxation or adventure, Waikiki has something to offer everyone. Imagine stepping onto the warm sand, feeling the gentle caress of the Hawaiian sun on your skin. The air is alive with the scent of plumeria and the sound of laughter. Families build sandcastles, their joy echoing across the shore. Surfers dance on the waves, their silhouettes etched against the horizon. This is the magic of Waikiki, a place where time seems to slow down and worries fade away. Waikiki is more than just a beach, it's a state of mind. It's a place where you can truly unwind, reconnect with nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. From its iconic resorts to its hidden gems, Waikiki offers a unique blend of relaxation and excitement. So come explore this tropical paradise and discover the wonders that await you. Waikiki Beach stretches for 2 miles along the Pacific Ocean, its golden sands beckoning visitors to relax and soak up the sun. The beach is divided into several sections, each with its own unique character. From the bustling shores of Duke Kahanamoku Beach to the calmer waters of Fort DeRussy Beach, you'll find the perfect spot to unwind. Rent a beach umbrella and lounge chair, sip on a refreshing coconut, and let the sound of the waves lull you into a state of pure bliss. The crystal-clear waters of Waikiki are an invitation to cool off and explore the underwater world. Don a snorkel and mask and discover a vibrant coral reef teeming with colorful fish. Take a surfing lesson and experience the thrill of riding the waves, or simply go for a swim and feel the refreshing embrace of the Pacific Ocean. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. The beach comes alive with the glow of tiki torches, casting a warm glow on the sand. Find a spot to watch the sunset and witness a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. The sky blazes with shades of orange, pink, and purple, creating a memory that will stay with you long after you've left the islands. Waikiki is synonymous with surfing. It was here that the ancient Hawaiians first mastered the art of wave riding, and today, Waikiki is a world-renowned surfing destination. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time surfer, Waikiki's gentle waves offer the perfect playground to hone your skills. Numerous surf schools line the beach, offering lessons for all levels. Experienced instructors will teach you the basics of paddling, popping up, and riding the waves. The feeling of catching your first wave is exhilarating, a true testament to the power and grace of the ocean. Even if you don't manage to stand up, the thrill of being out on the water is an experience in itself. For those who prefer to stay dry, watching the surfers is an equally captivating experience. Find a spot on the beach and marvel at the skill and agility of these wave riders. From graceful longboarders to daring shortboarders, you'll witness a display of surfing prowess that is both impressive and inspiring. While the beach is undoubtedly Waikiki's main attraction, there's much more to discover beyond the sand and surf. Waikiki is a vibrant neighborhood with a rich history, diverse culture, and endless entertainment options. Take a stroll down Kalakaua Avenue, Waikiki's main thoroughfare, and immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere. Shop for souvenirs, designer clothing, and local crafts. Dine at world-class restaurants, from casual beachfront cafes to upscale dining establishments. Catch a show at a traditional Hawaiian luau, where you'll be treated to a feast of local cuisine, music, and dance. The options are endless, ensuring that there's something for everyone in Waikiki. For a change of pace, head to Kapiolani Park, a sprawling green oasis located at the foot of Diamond Head. This urban park offers stunning views of the coastline, walking trails, picnic areas, and even a zoo. Rent a bike and explore the park at your own pace, or simply relax on the grass and soak up the tranquil atmosphere. No trip to Waikiki is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Hawaiian food is a melting pot of flavors, influenced by Polynesian, Asian, and European culinary traditions. From fresh seafood to exotic fruits, Waikiki offers a culinary adventure for your taste buds. Start your day with a traditional Hawaiian breakfast of loco moco, a hearty dish consisting of rice, a hamburger patty, a fried egg, and gravy. For lunch, sample a plate lunch, a local favorite that typically includes 2 scoops of rice, macaroni salad, and your choice of meat, such as kalakaua pig, shoyu chicken, or teriyaki beef. In the evening, treat yourself to a fine dining experience at one of Waikiki's many acclaimed restaurants. Be sure to try some of the local fruits, such as pineapple, mango, papaya, and guava. These tropical treats are bursting with flavor and are the perfect way to cool down on a hot day. And of course, no trip to Hawaii is complete without sipping on a Mai Tai, the island's signature cocktail. As the sun sets, Waikiki transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. The streets come alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening out, a night of dancing, or a casual gathering with friends, Waikiki has something to offer everyone. For a taste of Hawaiian culture, attend a luau. These traditional feasts feature live music, hula dancing, and a delicious buffet of Hawaiian dishes. For a more upscale experience, head to one of Waikiki's many rooftop bars. Sip on cocktails while enjoying panoramic views of the city skyline and the Pacific Ocean. If you're in the mood for live music, check out one of the many bars and clubs in the area. From jazz to reggae to rock and roll, you'll find a venue to suit your taste. And for those who prefer a more low-key evening, there are plenty of pubs and lounges where you can relax with a drink and enjoy the company of friends. Waikiki's history is as rich and colorful as its present-day atmosphere. Long before it became a tourist destination, Waikiki was a retreat for Hawaiian royalty. Kings and queens were drawn to Waikiki's natural beauty, its gentle waves, and its abundance of fish. In the late 19th century, Waikiki began to gain popularity as a tourist destination. The construction of the Moana Surfrider Hotel in 1901 marked the beginning of Waikiki's transformation into a world-renowned resort town. Today, Waikiki is a blend of old and new, where historic landmarks stand alongside modern hotels and resorts. Visit the statue of Duke Kahanamoku, the father of modern surfing, and learn about his legacy as a legendary surfer and Olympic swimmer. Explore the historic buildings of the U.S. Army Museum of Hawaii and delve into the island's military past. Waikiki's history is interwoven with its present, creating a unique and captivating destination. One of the most enchanting aspects of Waikiki is its spirit of aloha. Aloha is more than just a greeting. It's a way of life that embodies love, kindness, compassion, and hospitality. You'll feel the spirit of aloha everywhere you go in Waikiki, from the warm smiles of the locals to the genuine desire to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Take the time to learn a few Hawaiian words and phrases. Greet people with aloha and mahalo, thank you. Embrace the laid-back island vibe and let go of your worries. The spirit of aloha is contagious, and you'll find yourself leaving Waikiki with a renewed sense of peace and happiness. Attend a cultural event or festival to experience the diversity of Hawaiian culture. Learn about traditional Hawaiian crafts, such as lei making and hula dancing. Engage with locals and listen to their stories. The more you immerse yourself in the local culture, the more you'll appreciate the true meaning of aloha. Waikiki is a place that stays with you long after you've left its sun-kissed shores. It's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime, from romantic getaways to family vacations to solo adventures. Whether you're seeking relaxation or excitement, Waikiki has something to offer everyone. Imagine yourself strolling hand in hand with your loved one along the beach, the setting sun casting a warm glow on your faces. Picture your children's laughter as they build sandcastles on the shore, their imaginations running wild. Envision yourself riding the waves, feeling the thrill of the ocean beneath your feet. These are just a few of the countless memories that await you in Waikiki. It's a destination that captures the heart and soul, leaving you with a longing to return time and time again. Waikiki Beach is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can escape the everyday and embrace the extraordinary. From its stunning natural beauty to its vibrant culture and endless entertainment options, Waikiki has something to offer everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of Waikiki. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a little bit of both, Waikiki is the perfect destination to create memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace the spirit of aloha and let Waikiki work its magic on you.